Hey, I'm Nick Marriott from Audinate. I'm the product manager for two products which are both Dante as software. We have Dante Embedded Platform and Dante Application Library. Dante Application Library, to begin with, that's Dante as software for Mac and Windows operating systems. We've got it here running on Zoom Rooms. You can download that from Zoom's website, and that allows you to connect Zoom Rooms to a Dante device. We've got it connected here to the Shure MXA 310. So then on Dante Embedded Platform, this is for more kind of hardware, Dante hardware products. We have Dante Embedded Platform for ARM processors and also for x86. We've got it on NXP. We've got it also running in the QSys Core 110F, where you can get up to 32 by 32 channels of Dante in their software. You can do in-field upgrades as well. Go and see that at the QSC booth. And for more information about Dante Embedded Platform and Dante Application Library, go to our website.